Find the next three terms in the geometric sequence. And here's our sequence. It's -3, 15, -75, 375. Now to find the next three terms in the geometric sequence, remember, to find the next term, you need to multiply the previous term by a constant r. And so how do we figure out what r is? Well, we're given that these are geometric sequences, so there definitely is an r that we are multiplying in order to get the next number in the sequence. So to find it, we can take the first two numbers, and it's -3 times r is equal to 15 is the equation that we need to solve for. -3 times a constant r is equal to 15. So let's go ahead and divide by -3 on both sides. And we are going to get r is equal to -5. So we have r is equal to -5, and we can go and test it and see if it actually works. -3 times -5 is +15. +15 times -5 is -75. So it's working, right? R is equal to -5 is the constant common ratio. So in order to get the next three numbers in the sequence, we need to multiply 375 by -5. So what do we get? 375 times 5. So it's going to be -1875. And then the next number in the sequence is going to be +9375. And the last number in the sequence is going to be -46,875. Let's go ahead and try the next one over here, number 5. We need to find r, the common ratio, and the way we do that is we take 24 times the common ratio is equal to 36. So it's 24 times r is equal to 36, and we're going to solve for r, find out what it is by dividing both sides of the equal sign by 24, and we get r is going to be equal to 1.5. So our common ratio is 1.5, and if we go ahead and test it, 24 times 1.5 does give us 36. 36 times 1.5 does give us 54, and 54 times 1.5 does equal 81. So now to find the next number in the sequence, we're going to multiply 81 by 1.5, and that gives us 121.5. And then we're going to multiply that by 1.5, and we get 182.25. And then we're going to multiply that by 1.5 to get the next number in the sequence. It's 273 and 375.375. So this is how we get terms in a geometric sequence. We identify r by creating an equation, and then we multiply the previous term by r to get the next term in the sequence.